Hey guys, I'm Abby.
And I'm Sean from RecPro.com. Thanks for joining us for this installment of our product category video blogs. Today we're going to be looking at the customizable RecPro Blackout Nighttime Roller Shades. Now, these shades are the newest addition to the RecPro line of shades, and they have a lot of awesome features. Like first, they block out 99% of all encroaching light. So if you have trouble sleeping at night or during the day with light, bleeding into your RV, these shades will definitely help take care of that.
There are 4 nighttime colors to choose from, which are Champagne Oyster, Suede, and Blackout Black.
And also what's very special about the shades that we offer here at RecPro is that they are customizable. Widths, you can go from 14 inches to 96 inches, and height, you can go from 12 inches to 65 inches. So whatever your window size or application, we have the customization option for you.
We do. You can also choose between 2 colors for your top rail, which is Alabaster and Black.
You can also pick very specific sizes because we go in half-inch increments instead of whole-inch increments. So if you have a really specific window type, we can help fit it.
Thanks guys so much for watching, and to shop these roller shades, just click on the link below and make sure to give us a thumbs up and what's that? Subscribe. The colors available on these nighttime shades. For colors, we have 4. This is a song that never ends. It just goes on and on, my friend. Da da da. I don't know the rest of the words to this song.